Here in example 4, it says on March 15th, Alyssa Perez goes online and downloads the transaction shown in figure 4.11. She does this so she can put them on her spreadsheet where she keeps a check register. See figure 4.12. Note the transaction since her last log on. Sorry, that should say last. Here it states, in figure 11, it says that she had a ATM withdrawal of $400. She had an ATM national network fee of $2. She had an automatic transfer for a deposit for $1,661.57. She had a service charge for a bill payment for 50 cents, a service charge for a bill payment for 50 cents. She had a deduction for a credit card online payment for $3,341.29. She had a online payment of $100. She had a check that she wrote, which was check number 1289 for $30.55. And then she had insurance withdrawn for $153.39. Notice here we have a running balance of her check register. She has a check number 1288 for $59.46. She has an ATM withdrawal of $400. Well, that's right here, so that clears the bank. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little check there to indicate that it's gone through the bank. It says we have a service charge of $2 on that same day, so I'm going to put a check mark there. It says we have a deposit of $1,661.57, so I put a check here. We have a service charge of 50 cents. That's this location right here. We have another service charge for 50 cents. I have a bill payment for $3,341.29. I have another bill payment for $100. We have a check for $30.55. And I have a withdrawal for $153.39. So what we would do here is I see all these things have cleared the bank. This right here, this line right here, is what we consider outstanding. And the reason it is outstanding is because it is obviously not cleared the bank. So what happens is we write this check to this company, and in this case it was a fabric store, and what happens is the fabric store has not put it in the bank. So the amount has not come out of your account yet. So when we take it out, we indicate that we're less that money. But if we actually looked at our bank statement, we would probably see that our bank statement would show about $60 more than what we say we have because of this outstanding check that has not been cashed. So all they really done here is transferred this information down here. I do want to make a small note. See this plus sign right here? This line right here? Notice where it is located. It is this payment right here, or this payroll check. And notice how it's in this column. That's because this column is our plus side, in this column is what we call our deductions. Okay, these are all the amounts that are taken out. These are the amounts that are being added into the account. So as they're running this balance off to the side over here, you're going to see that the number goes down and down and down and down, and suddenly it jumps higher. That's because we're making a deposit. We're putting money in the bank. And then it goes down and down and down some more, and it keeps going down. Those are all those payments that we're making or withdrawals that we're making from our account. On the next page, you're going to see it says, try on your own. On April 1st, Alyssa Perez, from example 4, had an online transactions shown in figure 413. Note that the balance brought forward is $871.78. Okay. Then it says, here's figure 4.13. These are all the memos, deductions, and credits. Check out this plus sign, okay? Then what it's asking you to do is complete the check register in 414 by transferring all this information down here into the appropriate lines. Now pay attention to your descriptions over here. They might not match word for word, but they should be pretty close to the descriptions in my check register. For this problem, I'm going to give you about 15 minutes to copy all that information over and run your check balance. I need to see your ongoing total here. So make sure that you're adding / subtracting where need be. Go ahead and take a moment to pause your video and answer question 6 on the try on your own. As you can see, the answer to question number 6, the answers have been transferred down, and I just went basically line by line, making sure that I moved them either into the deposit line or into the payment line. And then again, you're running this total off to the side. So you're adding for your deposits and you're subtracting for all those payments that are coming out of your checking account. My final balance ended up being $2,393.34. I know it's kind of hard to read these numbers with those lines as small as they are. Go ahead and take a moment to make sure that your balances are matching up all the way down. On the next slide, you're going to see our vocab check. It is a fill in the blank for the one vocabulary word from this lesson. Good luck.